Great. Um, okay, so I would wait a couple more minutes, but meanwhile, I don't want to. I will just share with you where you can find the app, and I'll just give you a few minutes to play with it yourself. And we are focusing today on the mobile experience. So if you can do all this on your phone, that'd be great. What phone?
Okay.
What phone do you have?
Um, it's, let's see. Hmm. I'm hoping it works with this, but I'm thinking it should be Android. It's an Android phone.
What's going on, Mouse? I'll be here too.
Oh, okay. Hi. Let me just here. That.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it should be Android. Yeah. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna put the test scenario in the chat now. You don't have a profile on the app yet, no? So you need to.
I'll make one on the app.
Okay, then awesome. Okay, so you have to go to the first uh, link that will have a button for register on your phone on the browser. As I said, we're focusing on the mobile experience for today. Uh, sure.
Okay. Let me try and I'll hop on Zoom on my phone and then all that. Yeah.
Yeah, if you're on your Zoom on your phone, then you won't be able to record. You will only be able to use the upload functionality. But it's all good. I was thinking that you stay on Zoom on your computer and do the test on your phone.
I just don't know how to do it that way.
Do what?
Like, wait. Give me 1 second.
You can open a browser window on your phone. What's the browser that you use for, like, what is that browser?
It should be Chrome.
Yeah, so you just get that link. Or you just go to justiceforhire.app, which HTTPS. Can you share? I mean, thanks for adding him. Vintage. Oh, wow. Okay.
What's going on, Vintage?
Vintage, so great to have you.
Hey, what's up, guys? Hey.
Hi.
What's
Great.
up?
So it's great. It's so awesome to have you. We have Mouse also. He's a new hero. Vintage is one of um, the first heroes.
Hello.
What's up, bro?
At
And
this point, I'm just tired.
did you had school today, Mouse?
No, but I'm in basketball, so
Okay.
yeah.
You in
Awesome.
this? You in New York City, bro?
Nah, I'm not. I'm not even in a big town or nothing. I'm not gonna
Oh,
say it, but I'm not in a big town though.
okay. Where are you located, if you don't mind sharing?
I just don't. I just don't want to share it because.
Okay, that's fine.
Yo,
So,
sorry I'm late.
No worries, can Ninja, or zero. I'm still getting used to, and you will still have to use your old your old
Hero name?
your old hero name, or to log in with your email if you want to.
Just for the, again, these are tests.
Yes.
Like where every time we do one of these sessions, it's, you know, we're going to do our best to save everything, but there's always the chance that you may not be able to save what you do. So it is just for test purposes. But if you want to save anything, please save it on your end. You can always share it with us a little later.
It's totally fine. I understand.
And also today we're focusing on the mobile experience. So by this, I mean opening the app on a browser window on your phone. Mouse, for example, has an Android phone, so he will, yeah. And I think Kid Ninja, you also have an Android phone.
I don't know why, but it's not really working with my phone. Like I can't like log into the, well, I can't even hop on the web page for some reason. I don't know if it's my phone or something, but I'm thinking it is.
Okay.
Like the type of phone.
Well, okay. If you,
So, Mouse, can you explain a little bit more about what the experience you're having is right now, please?
Like, what happens is I'll type in the exact. I legitimately typed the exact thing that was in the chat into my Google Chrome browser thing, and it won't like go with it. It's just saying that it didn't match any documents and stuff like that for some reason.
Can you share a screenshot of that possibly?
I can try. I can
And can you also
screenshot it and send it to you.
in justiceforhire.app and that's it?
I will try that too.
Thank you.
I didn't get to do the direction from www.
I found the app, I think. One of the things saying it. Or not the app, but the page.
Okay.
Okay, so you're on the login page now?
It hasn't like fully loaded up yet, but yep, I'm on the login page. The
Awesome.
email and password thing.
Okay, cool.
So do I just do like if I'm well technically new, do I?
Yeah. Press on register.
Okay.
Yeah, register your profile.
All right, I'll do all that stuff.
Vintage, and Kid Ninja, you're already a veteran in the test team. I'm so grateful for you. You have the test scenario in the chat. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I would really appreciate if you guys can share the specs of your phone. We're working on the installation and the actual how you will download the app to your phone. So this is the first step for this week, for this week's test.
Okay. Yeah, so I have a Galaxy S10 and I'm able to log in fine. But when I try to log on my laptop, it says I need an email. But with the email you sent me, I just had to log in with my hero name.
Okay, so you either log in, if you were able to log in with I think you're the one able to log in with both your heroes and hero name and your email. If like if you were able to log in both ways, that's awesome.
Well, when I try to log on the laptop with my username, it doesn't work. It says I have to enter my email. Which email is it?
Let
Is
me
it my?
let me
Okay.
tell you right away because I know I consolidated all your profiles.
Okay.
Just a moment. But what's the address in the browser that you're reaching out? Is it login or login hero?
Yeah, log in.
Login. So yeah, then in the login page you use your email. In the login hero you use your hero name. The email is um
Is
I'll
it vintage vibes at jfh.com?
yeah, it's vintage. No, it's just vintage at jfh.com.
Oh, sweet. Okay, cool. So is it the same exact account or is it different?
No, you only have one account.
Oh,
The
okay.
vintage account. You're asking me if we also have the vintage vibes. No, the vintage vibes is not. We need to. Uh, which one do you want, the vintage or the vintage vibes? I just had the vintage account for you.
Yeah, I just want the vintage.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Hi, Ben. Mouse, let me know how it's going because I really wanna learn.
So far it's been going good. I haven't like ran into anything like glitch wise, but yeah, it's been going good, thankfully.
Okay, awesome.
Can I give some feedback on the UI?
Sure.
So I was on it before and I was looking around, and as a first timer, it seemed kind of confusing, even though there were things that I can read. Um, Maybe when I hover over world missions and challenges, maybe give like a brief description. Also, when I play one video, if I play multiple videos, they play at the same time. And so it would be better if I click on one video, even though the other one is playing, then it stops the other video. You know what I mean? Am I explaining
Yeah,
it
we
well?
have yeah, you explained it very great. We already have that
Okay.
on our list of issues, and we're
Okay, cool.
it's in the backlog for the team,
Awesome.
for the dev team, aka me, to implement it. And yeah, that means that you also have a Galaxy, an Android phone or an iPhone.
Android.
Android. Okay, so yeah, this is a known issue on Android. On iPhone, it doesn't reproduce. So, okay, great. Thanks, Vintage.
Also, on the laptop, it displays the mobile layout, which is very hard to look at because the videos are like super expanded.
Yes,
It would
with
look better if like the uh
no, go ahead. Go ahead. I'm listening. This is great.
it would look better. It would look better if it had a web layout. Um, and also when I was first going on the app, I feel like it would be very cool to have like a cinematic trailer in the beginning of it, describing what JFH is and everything.
If we have that in the walkthrough video, so
You're talking about autoplay though, right?
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, like an autoplay.
Yeah.
Or maybe not even a full video, maybe just like a short kind
Yeah,
of animation. If I come
second
across
clip,
an example, I'll show you. Huh?
like a 5 to 10 second clip.
Right, right, exactly.
It's a great idea.
awesome. Uh, Ben, I see
Uh,
you have your hand raised.
Yes, I mean, I mainly asked to join this call because I'm not exactly sure how to access the app.
Okay. Well, the app can be accessed only during the test sessions,
All right.
and you have a profile on our on the app or not?
I'm not sure because I remember I made one a while back, but I'm not sure if that still exists because it was like back when first got released.
Code Gray, your stuff should be under Veil.
Yeah, your stuff.
Oh,
Yeah, your stuff is under
all
Veil.
right.
So it'll be updated when we do the official app launch.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
So I put in the chat the instructions for accessing the app.
Thank you very much.
So as a first-time user, there is another kind of a confusing thing for me. So when I click on world, it says home gym, communication, and all that. And then when I click on the other tabs, it's the same thing, communication, challenges, home gym. So what's unique about each tab? You know, like why are these same videos on all of them? You know, so that's kind of confusing as a first timer.
Go ahead.
Richard, let me ask you a question. Would it make more
Mhm.
sense for you? Like the world page essentially collects all the content that anyone who uses the app creates. That means missions and challenges. So if the missions are in I think white and the challenges are in blue, and on the world page, all of that stuff plus any other like updates that are coming out will be populated on that tab. But if you want to filter, you can filter it to just missions or just challenges. And to clarify, challenges are about your story and missions are about how your story ties into the universe.
Okay,
So, like with all that said, do you think that it would be valuable to have like a little explainer on top of each one of those every time you click on a tab?
so like I said, I think it would be cool to have like a little description when we hover above it. And also, I think it would be so much better for the layout, the user interface, if the difference between missions and challenges were more defined. So like more definition, like maybe a design, like a border design around the challenges. You know what I mean?
Yes.
It's just more definition, more design.
Jen. Yeah, I'm taking notes. Vintage.
Okay.
We're focused. We're. I mean, design is super important, and this test is focused on functionality and
Oh, okay.
installation, and all the design feedback is more than welcome. So keep it coming.
Okay.
Vale, Code Gray, you still have your hand raised just in case you want to say something. I'm here.
Is there an update to the videos, like the video player? Because it seems pretty inefficient and slow and everything.
What do you mean? Like, do you have the late? So first of all, you need to download the latest version of the app on Samsung, and
Oh, I can download it on the Play Store.
Right, so just to clarify, the Vintage, are you using it in browser?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, so you're just going to, so there's no real download there. Okay,
what
so
video, for example?
The when I was in World, I was just clicking on the videos and it's not really loading.
Yeah. Are you on? Please let us know the make and model of your phone too, because
Yes.
different phones. My phone was having a challenge like that last night.
And it was a memory issue.
Yeah.
My phone is Galaxy S10.
Okay. Vintage Galaxy S10. Do you know by any chance how much memory you have free?
Um, let me check real quick. Hold on. It says the internal storage is 128 gigabytes.
Um, um, Andra, I guess. I don't really know your name, but I think you're muted.
Oh, yes, I am muted. Thank you. Andra, yes.
You're welcome.
Andra is my name, Andra Roxana. So I was asking how is it going if you were able to complete a challenge or a mission. I mean, I can see the results on the app myself, but I just wanted to get the feeling from you.
Me or Vintage?
Huh?
Probably.
I don't.
Yeah.
I don't know who she was talking about. Me or Vintage?
To you, Mouse. To all of you.
I haven't really completed any of the challenge things. I'm trying to fill out my stuff. Like
Okay,
the
great.
backstory and all that.
Awesome. Awesome. The first most important video is your profile video. So if you have that, you can use that, or if not, you can record it now. Yes.
I'll
Great.
record it later. Not right now.
So I wasn't able to log into my profile because I couldn't remember which email I used, and I tried to use all the emails, but I'm not so since I'm not going by Veil anymore, would it be possible to just remove the Veil profile and then, like, once I create my Code Gray video, I'll be able to upload that and
You can
maybe-
register with Code Gray.
So yeah, for this session, like as long as you can get, you can do it, act like a new user and just come on in.
Yeah.
But for the most part, the way what we were going to do and what we did with Zero, because Zero had a previous name, what we've done with everybody is that essentially you can change your hero name at any time. We expect that to happen a lot, but we don't want you to lose any of the content that you had previously. So, for example, like your Veil persona has so much content like on the app right now.
Oh, okay.
If you were to switch to Code Gray on that profile, you would still retain all that old content.
All right.
You can go to Login Hero, and if you're not able to log in there with Veil, you should be able. So try to go to Login Hero, and log in with Veil. If not, use the email that I sent you in the chat now. I'm sending you in the DM, and you can use that email.
And if that doesn't work, you can just
Yeah,
like
create a new
just
code
register.
break.
Just register.
Yeah.
New.
But the email that I sent you should work.
Okay, thank you very much.
And let me know how it goes. Vintage, I have a question for you because I know there's some people who do that also. When I know you've been testing, like you've been keeping an eye on the app. Is the same behavior happening if you're opening a private window or if you close all the previous windows and open a new one?
What behavior are you talking about?
The videos loading slow and all that.
I haven't tried it on a private window yet. I'm gonna try right now.
Okay, awesome. And remember, this is a test session, so all the feedback is extremely valuable.
Okay. You want me to do it on my phone, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because we're focused on the mobile experience, iPhone, Android, and all the others. And the desktop experience also is in the working. So yeah, but this specific task session today is on the mobile experience. Mihaela, I remember you saying that you have an iPhone 6. Can you do the test on the iPhone 6 that you have? There were a couple of test sessions ago, one of the heroes.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Especially as we had a specific issue on iPhone 6. I realized that I have one in the very old and forgotten drawer. So yeah, we'll test.
I'm muted again.
So, I have a quick question.
Yes.
The video that I have on my thing, can it be the one that was on Instagram?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah, so it's pretty buggy still, even on a private window. When I click on the video, it doesn't really load, or it takes a long time to load. And
Okay.
I try, I try clicking on multiple, and they might both play at the same time, or it
Yeah.
misaligns, and yeah.
Yeah. So if you can take a screenshot of what's happening, that's great.
All right, better yet, I'll record a video of
Yeah,
myself.
recording, even better.
Vintage question. I'm super interested in what videos you're attempting to play right now. Are you attempting to play watch page videos or stuff that's on the world feed?
Let me see. Yeah, currently it's on watch.
Okay. Okay, cool. All right, thank you. But please let us know how the experience is on world page, because yeah, we may have to do a workaround. Thank you.
No, I mean it makes and
so I can't record a video because it says due to security policy.
Say that again, Vintage.
Say that again.
I wasn't able to record the screen because it said it was blocked or prevented due to security policy.
Oh, okay. So are you in a private window right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was.
So go
Okay.
on the other window.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Now it says I can't record during calls. So maybe I'll do it later and then send you guys a video of that.
So you also have the Zoom on the video, and you also have the app, and you also want to try to record. So it's important
Right.
for you to know how much memory you have left, and if this is not happening on another, if this is happening on another Android phone or not. For example, if mouse has the same problem.
Right.
Yeah, but, and honestly, if feel free, it would be very helpful if you just jump off Zoom for a second,
Yeah.
try the record.
And
If it
come back.
works, and then just come right back on. That's super helpful.
Okay. Where would you want the video sent?
Well, the video itself, if you're in app, the app will take care of everything. So, like you recording a video in the app, we'll save it on the app, and we'll be able to see it on our end. So, if you could try that and then jump back on Zoom, because we go into these Zoom sessions knowing that if you're on your phone and you're testing on your phone, you're likely going to have to jump off and jump back on.
You think I'd be able to just screen share? Would that help?
Well, I think the what we want to test right now is your ability to do content creation in the app on your phone.
Okay. All right. So can you run the instructions by me one more time? Go off app and then just
They're
scroll.
in the chat. I'm gonna paste them again. Sure.
Okay. Cool. Oh, okay. But specifically, you want me to try to create a mission?
Yes.
Yeah, it could be a test video of just you just moving your camera around. You don't have to jump out of a window and grab a rope and swing. It doesn't have to be like an actual mission. But yeah, like
Can you run it by me how to create a mission?
Come.
just press the mission flow is in the center of the bottom icon, the yin yang icon, and you have hire a hero or become one. The hire is where you create a mission for other heroes, and the hero one is where you take on missions. So either of those are video content creation, and yeah, and so if you could do either of them, just let us please go for it, and then jump back on, and we can see it on our end.
Yeah.
And you want me to record the whole process, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Got you.
Screen record?
To screen record. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. If you can, that's great.
Yes.
All right.
Just log in. You just go through the challenge or the mission.
Got you.
You.
Be right back.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you. out, in my opinion.
Okay, Code Gray, if you can let me know the general feedback before you go, like if you had any issues or not, or were you able to register your new profile? I really appreciate you jumping on. It's the first time you're on, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, this is my first time in the test meeting. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I'll create my new profile until I finish my video. I just want to have that out of the way first. But yeah, other than that, I didn't really have any issues. And so far, like what I've seen of the UI is pretty appealing. So thank you very much for hosting. I'll see y'all later.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thanks, Code Gray. Bye.
Well, here's something. I'm trying to change the profile video thing,
Mm-hmm.
and whenever I slam the thing into the stuff and I tap complete, okay, it finally did it. My bad. Also,
You should have a progress bar in the bottom of the screen, and that tells you that something's happening.
oh, okay. My bad. Also, I have a quick question. What if I don't have a team?
Oh, that's totally fine. Like, just leave
Yeah.
it blank.
Oh, okay.
You will be able
I'll-
to
I
find
guess
other
then I'll
teams,
leave it blank.
yeah, in the next iterations of the app. So join a team that already exists, or create your own.
Yeah, I'm not joking. I will be a part of a team at some point in the thing. Oh, also, here's something cool that I wanted to try and do. Uh, so like the app's gonna fully come out on, didn't you guys say like July? Sometime in July or something? Is when it
Are you asking when the actual release date is?
Yes.
So the release date, we haven't pinned down a release date yet. We have a different perspective of what it means to release the app.
And we will release the strategy. We release that to the community once.
Yeah, we're still working on that, but essentially, like, it's all starting on what we're doing right now on Wednesdays, and we're going to expand out from here. So once we get a level of refinement here, you're going to start seeing a little bit more community activity that's actually a little bit more focused than just a social media app. So what we're doing right now is actually pretty important.
Oh, okay. But I for some reason I was thinking it was July, but
maybe you heard we launched the beta last year in July, and maybe you heard Vale when he mentioned
Red
July.
Ronin,
Or Red
yeah,
Ronin.
I saw that in
Yeah.
the Discord. But because of me thinking that, I immediately went, what if on April the 1st for 2022, because June, July, and then yeah, there's no yeah. So because of that, because of all that, I don't know why I'm like this. Okay. Okay. Here, let me just actually fully unmute myself because I'm just doing the space thing. Okay. So once the app is fully out, I'll have to figure out then. But on April 1st of whatever year it is, I want to do a quote unquote like a fake episode called Dream Demon. And the gist of it is I wanted it to be like, oh yeah, I'm stuck in my head, I'm fighting this demon called Rat or something, and I'm just doing all this stuff, and then at the end of the episode, Rat just looks in the camera and winks and then walks away. I wanted it like that because I wanted it to seem like, oh yeah, this has got to be fake. Where it's not like, oh yeah, this has to be true in the thing, but on April 1st I'll do that whenever it is. But yeah, that that would be a cool little episode thing I wanted to try at some point.
That sounds awesome, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I was also thinking about like alternate kind of like dreamscape and like just different styles of episodes that we can do together yesterday, that might break it up from like the ultra realistic kind of like real life superhero style action that we're currently talking about.
Yeah. Also, do you want to hear my backstory? Because I just got done writing it. Now it does stop at a point because I wanted it. This whole thing will be in the first episode, but yeah. So here we go. Every day at school, Mickey Monroe, which is before Mouse, gets bullied. He gets near his breaking point and goes to a park to cope with his stress and gets mugged. But a random stranger comes and saves him and opens his eyes. He realizes that he can help people. A while later, he trains himself and learns how to hack. While doing this, he finds out a guy called Eddie Quinn Um, got out of jail recently and realizes that Eddie Quinn was the random guy, and you will learn more in the first episode. I didn't want it. I didn't want to put like, oh yeah, this is that, because then people would be like, okay, I'm not gonna watch the first episode.
Dude,
Some people would be like that.
That's fantastic, and when we yeah, that's excellent. That's excellent, Mouse. And just so you know, like all these sessions are recorded. And I should have said that in the beginning. We should say that all the time in the beginning. But all these sessions are recorded. So that was very, very inspiring to hear that. To hear you say that.
Thank you. Because like I said, I didn't want to spoil the whole first episode and stuff like that. Also, because of it being recorded, I just wanted to quickly say, if people are watching the recording, or well, wherever you post out the recording, I just wanted to say that if somebody needs like, oh yeah, I got some guy over here, but I don't want him to have to come all the way down here just to film one quick scene, either call them on the phone or like something like that. Like do it where it's not like they have to travel somewhere just so you can do your episode. You can easily do it where it's just a call or them text you or something like that. It's very easy in a sense.
Well, we'll definitely make sure that you know, we're building the infrastructure now to make all the remote content creation and collaboration that much easier. So and you're helping us do that right now, literally. Vengeance apparently is trying to come on too.
I'm waiting to let him on.
Oh, you see
Oh
him?
yeah, and here's something funny. I am sitting in my floor because I didn't really have nothing to uh, plug into for my phone, so I'm just sitting here in the floor,
Thank you.
chilling out.
How does it feel relaxing?
Kind of, not really, but still, it's okay.
Vintage, you're back. How was it? Vintage?
Yeah, so I recorded a video of it. Do you want me to send it to you?
Yeah, you can send it to andra@realworld.com.
What, can you repeat the email?
I'm writing it in the chat.
All right.
But how was the overall experience? Like, because I was just thinking, if you started to play a bunch of videos at once and they were still playing in the background, then it kind of justifies the behavior. It definitely needs to be fixed on Android, and we have that on our list. But I was interested more into the creation and completion of the content before playing, as we are aware on Android.
Yeah, so when creating a mission, it was pretty smooth. I don't really have any complaints about it. So yeah.
They're more than welcome. If they're complaints or feedback or how you call it, they're more than welcome. We're learning a lot from this, so it's important vintage.
I do think it would be cool to have more like on the page when it says what's the problem and how can a hero help, it would be cooler to have like more things there instead of just that and then action and upload video. Also, it says action. That action button has the same purpose as the upload video. So I would say to maybe erase one of them.
When you say the same purpose, they are. I mean, one is to shoot directly from your phone. The other one is to upload.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, I was under the impression that it was the same. Okay.
Yeah, but what other things you would like to see on that page?
Just more things like maybe a preferred hero to help, you know, or or maybe like select a difficulty, like maybe you have 5 stars and then you can click 1, 2, 3, or 5 stars. Yeah, just more things to engage the viewer, the audience.
This is great.
Yeah, that's really cool.
And also because we have now hire in hero, but that's also, it's not one-to-one. Like you cannot hire a specific hero. So
Okay.
having like choose the hero that you want, that also can be in
That's
the
true.
in the mission. This is something that you were referring to, no?
Yeah. Also, I would say make the middle yin yang symbol bigger because that seems like the main thing.
Interesting. So you're saying actually like increase the size of just that center.
Right, exactly.
The importance of it.
Right.
That's pretty cool. That's a great idea.
Oh yeah, I never realized that the thing, like instead of world it's WURLD, and I just wanted to I don't really care about it, but I just wanted to know why.
Because it's for you. It's your story, so it's your world, and from
Oh, well I seem stupid now.
no, it's not. No, it's a legit question. You're not the only one asking it, so no worries. It's not.
Yeah, I thought that was pretty creative. I like it.
Yeah.
Now I can now I actually feel stupid for a second, but then
No,
now I realize, yeah, that's
Hey, questions are the greatest gift you can give to people. in my
there's
opinion.
no
So,
stupid question.
Yeah.
it's like that one during the meetup when I asked Sword and Shield. I kept feeling stupid after that because you went, "Oh yeah, we're gonna," and I was like, "Wait." Because I knew something like that would have happened, but I was like, what if something exactly the same as Sword and Shield happened? It would be cool though if like not exactly, oh yeah, this is Sword, this is Shield. It's like different names, but yeah.
And also, I think this is like
Link is not working for. Sorry, what were you saying, Andrew?
Real World is the company that's producing the JFH series. our company, real world.
What is the meeting ID he just asked for?
I'm putting it in the chat.
No, no, like he can't actually even log in. I'll look it up right here. I got it. Got it.
I put it.
The app looks cool though. I'm just gonna say that.
Thank you, Mouse.
Or whatever. Well, it's not really an app right this second, but I can see it. It looks nice too. Yeah.
So this was the first app. It is an app. It's a progressive web app. You will learn about it because I know you're passionate about this, and I'm more than happy to talk about this with you separately if you're interested into programming and coding and apps and all this. More than happy to. I also coach people. Jen coaches people on Tai Chi. I coach people on coding. So this is one of my superpowers. So it is a progressive web app. That means that you can open it in the browser. And then next week, as I said, we will focus on how you download the app. The same as you download the app from App Store, and you do need a store for this app. You can download it from our website. But before we get there, we wanted to just ease you guys into this approach that we took.
Oh, okay. So by that you mean like, oh yeah, Play Store and
We will
the app,
we'll get
all
there.
that.
Yeah, but that's not our strategy for the
Yeah.
launch. Vengeance, you made it.
Hi.
Hi.
Vengeance.
We have 5 more minutes, but I want to give you, Vengeance, also the walkthrough of how these test sessions go, and maybe next time you'll be able to join us for more. Today we are focusing on the mobile experience of the app, meaning you have the scenario in the chat. I'm putting it again, and it's just how you complete a challenge, or you create a mission and you create a mission, and you complete a mission. But I think that you're one of the first heroes that joined the app test team and was able to create a mission.
I don't think I'm one of the first ones, but yeah.
Yeah. Bring my cookies. You were losing your cookies. So in the remaining time, if you can go through the scenario and then let me know if you have any issues.
I have to log on to the website, right?
Yes. So you can go to justiceforhire.app/login and use your email, or use Login Hero, the first link, and log in with Vengeance and the password that I've shared with you guys, the initial password for the test session.
We're putting .com, right?
No, it's justiceforhire.app/login.
Surprisingly for me, it's just doing. If I tapped in .app, it's okay with it.
Yeah. Vintage, any other feedback in the 5 minutes?
So not right now.
If you have any other feedback in the email that you send me the video in, that would be awesome.
Okay, cool. I'm actually gonna transfer you that video.
Thank you.
Yeah, awesome.
Okay.
All right, I'm I'm having the same issue that I had last time when I tested the app.
Okay, what's the address in the browser that you're using? Login Hero or Login?
Login here.
Login Hero. And are you logging in with Vengeance?
Yes.
Okay, let me look at the.
Okay, so my phone taps it.
Yeah, you can log in with Hero in the Login Hero page, or you can log in. I'm gonna give you the email. What email?
Huh? I got it to work now.
Okay, what did you do to work?
Just refreshed it.
Sorry?
You refresh it.
Oh, okay, great. Awesome. We're gonna spend a few more minutes and then we wanna be mindful of your time, but this is great. Another great session.
So, like you said, we're about, well, not really about to, but we're near stopping the stuff right now.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Also, uh, I think the only thing that I've done, well, besides messing with the app, like going and trying to check out what the other pages are, is I technically have finished my thing for Mouse.
The
So
profile?
Mouse has his profile now.
Awesome.
Oh, amazing.
Great. Thank you. And we'll
We will do our best to save that,
yes.
and so that you can just come back to it.
Yes.
Oh yeah, but instead of doing the thing where it was login with a hero where you do your hero name, password, all that, I actually fully did my own I put my email and my own password. So yeah.
Yes, you registered. And now at the next time, at the next test next week, we can see how the login experience is for you because now you only registered. So I'll see you next week.
Okay.
Thank you, Mouse.
Thank you so much, Mouse.
I shall stay here until the thing ends.
Okay, thank you so much for the support. Vengeance and Vintage, if you guys have any feedback, if not, I'll any final remarks for this session?
I sent you more feedback on the WeTransfer link, but I guess I can tell you here too. But I personally would like to see icons that are more accurate towards what they lead into. So for example, like at first glance, when I was looking at the hero icon, I thought, oh hey, cool, look, there's a icon for um for me to connect to other heroes. You know, like not necessarily developments or challenges or journey.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
So yeah.
Yeah. That's another great feedback, Vintage. See you next week, please.
Yeah, I'll come. Also, Jan, did you get my Instagram message? Like
I-
way back? You never responded, so I don't know if you've seen it or not.
I told him also.
Oh, I thought I checked when when Andra told me that there was something. I thought I responded to that.
Oh no, but it's all good. So I'm back in New York City right now. So how I can play a role here is that maybe we can send out a call to all the heroes and I could like help them film a little episode or journey or whatever, you know, because I do have a cool
Amazing.
camera.
I'm coming to New York to film like something. It would be cool if we can like film something short too.
Yeah, man, I'm down.
All right.
Always open down to collaborating with other heroes, man.
Okay.
Vengeance, how's the app experience?
Good. I just uploaded something.
All right. And it worked this time, no? Okay. Cool.
But yeah, if you want to speak more about that, I guess we could sync up, Jen.
Yeah, 100%. Let's well, we're actually moving tomorrow, so after that happens, let's sync up either this weekend or early next week.
Okay, cool. Are you guys still in the same area or like a completely different area?
North Hollywood.
Oh wow, that's where I was at when I was over there. That's crazy.
Yeah.
But yeah, just let me know however you can.
Cool. Yeah, well, definitely. I mean, that's a great opportunity for heroes to connect in person as well.
Sure.
So, as Vengeance was saying already, that he's coming to New York, so there's something in there.
Yeah.
Definitely.
100%. Thank you again. Thank you, everybody. Are we good?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you. Thank you, Mouse.
Vengeance got something out of the experience.
Yeah.
Uploaded my rival stole my burger.
Okay.
Any just Vengeance, before we jump off, any general statements on your experience, things you like or dislike?
Or everything seems good. I'm liking it a lot, and I'm literally checking out like a bunch of the videos that heroes and villains are uploading. Everything's fine. I like it.
Playing. Okay.
Okay.
Are you on your iPhone? Can you say that again? Did you break that?
Yes, I am.
Okay. iPhone. Okay, awesome. Thanks, Vengeance.
Yeah, thank you.
So with that said, I'll see you guys next week. I'm sorry, Vengeance, for the technical difficulties in joining the Zoom. Hopefully you'll be able to do more for longer next week. And yeah.
Oh, I'm just gonna ask something quickly for technically both of you, you and Jan. I don't know who runs the Instagram for it. It might be all of your crew and all that. But have you? Oh wait, no, I sent it to Jan. My bad. Never mind. I guess it's for Jan then. Jan, have you seen the mousetraps? Like the thing I'm gonna use for it.
Oh, I saw the playlist that you sent with all the music.
Like I sent you a picture. I don't remember when, but it was like a few days ago. I think.
Well, because we have this move happening tomorrow and we're packing, I have not been as attentive to my messages, but I will definitely check it out.
All right.
Thank you for sending it.
Awesome.
You're welcome.
Okay, heroes.
Wait.
Yes.
Jan, can I like give like a little quick announcement about that project?
Sure.
All right. For every hero and villain that's in New York City or even in New Jersey or anywhere near that's able to like travel, but also virtually record stuff too. So me and Jan, we're gonna be slowly working on a script for a little limited series of Vengeance. But it's gonna introduce like a bunch of heroes too, like his own Team Arrow, but also I want to feature a bunch of heroes and villains from the universe itself. I'm already talking to Elixir about it. She says she's down for it. If there's any other heroes and villains or even anti-heroes that would like to be a part of this project, there's like 6 or 8 episodes that I might do. I'm not sure. But it's like its own little limited series just for everybody in the community to like watch and like enjoy and have fun, but also get ideas too. But yeah,
That's great, Vengeance. Awesome. And we have that recording, so
yeah, we'll chop that up and make an
announcement.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Yeah,
Thank
just let me know how you want me to help you out with that, bro.
Yes.
I'm gonna be free starting next week. So yeah, just let me know.
All right.
Yeah, but vintage is a massive asset to anybody. So yeah, definitely please sync up too. Thank you guys so much again, and we really just tremendously appreciate you guys taking the time during your day to do this with us, because this is how we build the groundswell. So thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye guys.
All right.
Uh,
Peace, guys.
Thank you.